Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel Fold, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction settings. First of all, go into Devices settings and scroll all the way down right away. Now tap on System, select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Lastly, just click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, tap on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!